Hello guys and welcome back into new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the Apple TV on Apple Vision Pro device. So make sure you watch the video to the end and follow these steps. So first, you will need just to get your Apple TV by going to the home view. So basically, you will find your Apple TV on the home view from here. You just click on the Apple TV and then it will take you to the application. So basically from here, you can start using the Apple TV as you are using it on your iOS device. So either like your TV or any place. So you can start discovering show and movies by like just scrolling and clicking on the searching bar. And this is the Apple TV Plus. And you can also start streaming your films. So basically you can just go here to the play queue or use the next tab queue, so you can start like adding an item to up next and hold the item and tap add up next, so you can start like watching any series that you would like or resume what you are watching from the moment you left off. Also, you can start as we saw, you can browse the Apple TV Plus and start seeing whatever or all the shows that they are available, and you can start search for shows, movie in the more, and also you can like just click on them like by going to show, and you can start streaming your films or your series. Of course, you can use another tip so you can have a better experience while watching on Apple TV is by using the environments of Apple. So on your home view, you will find environments. You will choose any environments that you would like while watching on the Apple TV, and then after having an immersion of on your Apple Vision Pro, you can start watching any film that you would like, and you will have a good view or good experience while watching. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.